Hello, my name is Doug McClure. No, not Doug McClure. What's the other one? Troy McClure. Yes, you might know me from such YouTube videos as the 24-part series, autobiographical work of John Maynard Keynes, digging a hole and filling it up again, or the instructional videos, getting wood and laying pipe. So going back to the hugelkultur mound, I've decided to give it a name, so from now on it's the Green Mountain over there. Since Richard increased my number of subscribers, I've had to try and concentrate on producing videos that people might actually be interested in watching. So the 3-part mini-series on cutting grass for the hugelkultur mound, that got canned. The proposed 10-part series on washing up plant pots, that didn't get past the heads of the studio. And what else didn't happen? Oh yeah, the part 3 of chopping up brambles, that happened behind closed doors. So when I first got this plot 2 years ago, one of the first things that happened was it rained, and then after it rained it froze. So I knew exactly where the low parts were, or where it was most waterlogged. And ever since then, one of my big concerns with the plot is trying to make it so that even though everyone else's plots flood, that mine doesn't. So when we had the last rain last week, I put 3 canes in where they were like, where there was like still rain gathered. Now partly this is because they're the lowest point, so they could be the obvious reason that that they're getting water. But I thought I'd have another go with the auger, digging holes and filling them up with wood chip to act as some kind of drainage or plug hole or sinkhole. Now the good thing this time is that instead of being in the onion bed, it's actually in the walkways, so I don't need to be so careful about using the auger, and I can probably go deeper with it. So that's what I'll be attempting to do. Okay, so that's enough of that until the next time it floods.